Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how to Airbnb your apartment. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Airbnb app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, sign in into your Airbnb account. Then on your screen you can see options like explore, wish lists, trips, messages and profile. You have to go to profile on the bottom right corner. Then you can see your profile. Now right below your profile name you can see the option Airbnb your place. Select that. Now scroll down and tap on Airbnb setup. Once you do that, you can see they're gonna ask you to create a new listing at the end of the screen. You have to tap on create a new listing. Now they're gonna ask you about your place. Read that, then tap on get started. You have to tap on next again. Then they're gonna ask you about what property you want to rent as an Airbnb. Select apartment, then tap on next. Next, they're gonna ask you a series of questions. You answer them, upload the pictures of your apartment, describe your apartment, describe the amenities you have, describe accommodations. Then you have to tap on let's get started. There you go. Now you've successfully Airbnb'd your apartment. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.